small civic groups like the Rotarins and the Optimists Club that serve to the community. At the same time, large non-governmental organizations like the Red Cross or the United Way fall within the definition of civil society. In the past decades, Global Civil Society or GCS has emerged that works beyond the state in the transitional realm. Greenpeace or UNICEF and World Vision are examples of GCS.
What are the functions of civil society? The function of civil society is to act as a link between the state and its society. In any society, there are needs that the state is unable or unwilling to meet. So civil society steps and provides necessary aids such as food distribution, medical service, legal advice, and disaster relief. Civil society also provides ways to mediate between different, sometimes contradictory interests that arise in the public arena. Finally, it provides ordinary citizens to volunteers and help their communities.
Function of civil society: representation, giving marginalized communities a platform to voice their concern. Advocacy: pressuring governments or businesses to act on issues such as property, climate change, or corruption. Service delivery: filling gaps in services where government or businesses fail, such as disaster relief or healthcare. Monitoring and accountability: acting as watchdog to ensure transparency is governance and businesses practice.
Miss mo ba? O ito, mag-coke ka muna.
Adik sa'yo, awit sa akin, bilang sawa na sa'kin.
Civil society refers to the organizations and institutions that are independent of the government and the private sector. Here are some key characteristics of civil society. Independent. They are free to express their views and pursue their goals. Non-profit, meaning they do not rely or are motivated by profit and rely on donations, grants, and membership fees for funding. Diverse. They work on a variety of issues, including environmental protection, education, health, and economic development. These groups are often formed by citizens who come together to promote social change, address common concerns, and advocate for their interests. Society faces challenges in the Philippines, such as limited resources. Many civil society organizations struggle to secure adequate funding to support their activities. Individuals choose to join and contribute based on their shared interests and beliefs. Examples of civil society organizations include: first, human rights groups, advocating for the protection of human rights and freedoms. Environmental organizations, working to protect the environment and promote sustainable development. Community, development of organizations providing services and support to disadvantaged communities. Religious groups, engaging in social action and advocacy based on their faith. Labor unions, promoting the interests of workers and advocates for the better working conditions. Consumer groups, protecting the rights of consumers and advocating for their fair business practices. Civil society refers to the realm of organized citizen activity outside of the government and the market. It encompasses a wide range of groups, organizations, and individuals who voluntarily come together to address common concerns, promote social change, and advocate of the public good. Think of it as the space between the stage and the market where citizens engage in collective action independent of both.